Biological classification. Introduction. Biological classification deals with grouping of varieties of living organisms based on similarities and dissimilarities into a hierarchy of different categories. Since starting of civilization, organisms are classified into different groups based on their utilization like shelter, food, clothes, etc. But classification is not a scientific type. As time passes, scientific way of classification started, like artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, phylogenetic system of classification, etc. First scientific method of classification done by scientist Aristotle. He divided organisms into different groups based on morphology and growth habit. For example, plants includes autotrophic organisms, further divided into herbs, shrubs, trees, etc. Animals includes heterotrophic organisms, further divided into anema, that is RBC absent, and enema, that is RBC present. Theophrastus, father of botany, based on morphology, divided plants into herbs, undershrubs, shrubs, and trees. Aristotle and Theophrastus classification represent artificial system of classification. Book of Theophrastus, named as Historia Plantarum, Two Kingdoms classification, given by Carolus Linnaeus 1707 to 1778. He divided organisms into two kingdoms. Number one, kingdom Plantae. Number two, kingdom Animalia. Characters of kingdom Plantae: cell wall present, locomotion absent, autotrophic nutrition, cannot eat, slow response to stimuli, contractile vacuole absent. Characters of kingdom Animalia: cell wall absent, locomotion present, heterotrophic nutrition, can eat, fast response to stimuli, contractile vacuole present. Examples of kingdom Plantae: bacteria, fungi, algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, angiosperms. Examples of kingdom Animalia: protozoa, vertebrates, invertebrates. Drawbacks of two kingdom classification. Number one, did not separate prokaryotic and eukaryotic organisms. Number two, did not separate unicellular and multicellular organisms. Number three, did not separate plants having different cell wall composition. Number four, did not separate autotrophic and heterotrophic organisms. Three kingdoms classification, given by Ernst Haeckel. He made a new kingdom for all unicellular organisms named as Protista. Kingdom Protista includes unicellular organisms, both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. For example, bacteria, algae, fungi, slime mold, protozoa. Kingdom Plantae includes multicellular eukaryotic plants. For example, algae, fungi, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Kingdom Animalia includes eukaryotic multicellular animals. For example, invertebrates, vertebrates. Three kingdoms classification. Drawbacks. Number one, prokaryotes and eukaryotes still placed together in kingdom Protista. Number two, organisms having different cell wall composition still placed in same kingdom. Bacteria have peptidoglycan in cell wall. Fungi have chitin in cell wall. Algae and other plants have cellulose in cell wall. Number three, autotrophic organisms and heterotrophic organisms are still present in same kingdom. Fungi are heterotrophic, algae and other plants are autotrophic. Four kingdoms classification given by Copeland. He established kingdom Monera for all prokaryotic organisms. Kingdom Monera includes unicellular prokaryotes, for example, all bacteria. Kingdom Protista includes unicellular eukaryotic plant-like organisms and animal-like organisms, for example, Chlorella, Chlamydomonas, amoeba, Paramecium, etc. Kingdom Plantae includes multicellular eukaryotic plants, for example, fungi, algae, and other plants. Kingdom Animalia includes multicellular eukaryotic animals, for example, invertebrates, vertebrates. Four kingdoms classification. Drawbacks. Number one, autotrophic organisms having cell wall are placed in same kingdom with heterotrophic organisms without cell wall, that is kingdom Protista. Number two, heterotrophic organisms having chitinous cell wall are placed in same kingdom with autotrophic organisms having cellulosic cell wall, that is kingdom Plantae. Organisms having different cell wall composition and different mode of nutrition are present in same kingdom. Five kingdoms classification given by R.S. Whitaker 1969. He established kingdom fungi. He separated all the fungi from kingdom Plantae and placed them in kingdom fungi. Kingdom Monera includes unicellular prokaryotic bacteria. Kingdom Protista includes unicellular eukaryotic plant-like and animal-like organisms. Kingdom Fungi includes multicellular eukaryotic organisms having heterotrophic nutrition and chitinous cell wall. Kingdom Plantae includes multicellular eukaryotic autotrophic plants having cellulosic cell wall. Kingdom Animalia includes multicellular eukaryotic animals. Five kingdoms classification. Drawbacks. R.H. Whitaker did not separate unicellular plant-like organisms having cell wall and autotrophic nutrition that is capable of synthesizing own food from animal-like organisms not having cell wall, so heterotrophic nutrition that is cannot synthesize own food from kingdom Protista. Five kingdoms classification system given by R.S. Whitaker is widely accepted classification system. Criteria of five kingdom classification. Number one, cell type or cell complexity or cell organization. Prokaryotic, eukaryotic. Number two, body organization or body complexity or thallus organization. Unicellular, multicellular. Number three, nuclear envelope present or absent. Number four, mode of nutrition, autotrophic, heterotrophic. Number five, lifestyle, producer, consumer, decomposer. Number six, mode of reproduction, asexual, sexual. Number seven, phylogeny, that is phylogenetic relationship, that is ancestral history. In five kingdoms classification, lichens, virus and viroids did not get place in any kingdom. Few organisms show dual nature of life, like Chlamydomonas shows plant-like character as having cell wall, and animal-like character as being motile and having flagella. Euglena shows plant-like character as being autotrophic and animal-like character as cell wall is absent. Based on criteria for five kingdoms classification, characters of kingdom Monera. Cell wall is present, made up of peptidoglycan, that is polysaccharide and protein amino acid having NAG and NAM. Cell type prokaryotic cell. Nuclear envelope absent. Body organization unicellular body. Mode of nutrition mostly heterotrophic, that is saprophyte, parasite, etc. Can also be autotrophic. Lifestyle, that is ecological importance, producer and decomposer. Mode of reproduction asexual and parasexual type. Syngamy absent. Based on criteria for five kingdoms classification, characters of kingdom Protista. Cell wall may be present, may be absent. If present, made up of cellulose. Cell type eukaryotic cell. Nuclear envelope absent. Body organization unicellular body. Mode of nutrition autotrophic, heterotrophic, holozoic. Lifestyle, that is ecological importance, producer, consumer. Mode of reproduction asexual and sexual reproduction. Syngamy, that is fertilization present. Based on criteria for five kingdoms classification, characters of kingdom Fungi. Cell wall present, made up of chitin, that is polymer of NAG. Cell type eukaryotic cell. Nuclear envelope present. Body organization multicellular body. False tissue level body organization. Mode of nutrition heterotrophic. Lifestyle, that is ecological importance, decomposer. Mode of reproduction asexual and sexual reproduction. Syngamy, that is fertilization present. Based on criteria for five kingdom classification, characters of kingdom Plantae. Cell wall present, made up of cellulose. Cell type eukaryotic cell. Nuclear envelope present. Body organization multicellular. Organ level body organization. Mode of nutrition autotrophic. Lifestyle, that is ecological importance, producer. Mode of reproduction asexual and sexual reproduction. Syngamy, that is fertilization present. Based on criteria for five kingdoms classification, characters of kingdom Animalia. Cell wall absent. Cell type eukaryotic cell. Nuclear envelope present. Body organization multicellular. Organ system level body organization. Mode of nutrition heterotrophic, mostly holozoic. Lifestyle, that is ecological importance, consumer. Mode of reproduction generally sexual reproduction. Syngamy, that is fertilization present. Three domains and six kingdoms classification given by Carl Woese 1990. He divided kingdom Monera into two different kingdoms. Number one, kingdom Archaebacteria contain primitive false bacteria. Cell wall made up of false peptidoglycan, that is pseudomurine. Cell membrane is present in the form of phospholipid monolayer or unilayer. These bacteria live in extreme adverse inhospitable environment. Three domains and six kingdoms classification. Number two, kingdom Eubacteria contain advanced true bacteria. cell wall made up of true peptidoglycan and cell membrane has phospholipid bilayer. Thus, six kingdoms are Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. Three domains and six kingdoms classification. Carl Wood placed all six kingdoms in three different domains, that is life forms, based on 16S rRNA gene sequence or nucleotide sequence. These are: number one, Archaea has kingdom Archaebacteria. Number two, bacteria has kingdom Eubacteria. Number three, Eukarya has kingdom Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. All the three domains evolved from same ancestor named as progenote. In Carl Wood's classification system, prokaryotes are placed into two domains, that is archaea and bacteria, two different kingdoms, that is Archaebacteria and Eubacteria, whereas eukaryotes are placed into single domain, that is Eukarya, and four different kingdoms, that is Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. In five kingdoms classification, prokaryotes are placed into single kingdom, that is Monera, and eukaryotes are placed in four different kingdoms, that is Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia.